All right, so when it comes to trading, you've made the decision that you want to make money on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. You're not looking to invest, or you're going to use your profits from trading to invest long term. But specifically when it comes to trading, what you've decided is, I want to make some short-term gains. And that was important for me when I got started in trading because I was thinking about, okay, one, I want to replace my income. Two, I want to be able to make money from anywhere in the world. I want to be able to make money at any time I want to, and I don't want to be dependent on anybody else controlling my schedule. So those were things that were very interesting to me when I started considering getting into the world of finance, when I started thinking about investing, when I started thinking about trading. And when I first got into the world of finance, I was literally working at a hedge firm, but when I transitioned over there, I literally could not afford to put money away for a year or longer. I had to worry about paying my bills today or on Friday or on the first of the month. So I needed to have a skill set where I was able to make money every day. And that's why trading was incentivizing for me. So I wanted to be able to have a skill set to where I can make money every day. And then when I get to a certain amount of surplus or a certain amount of disposable income, then I can use that money to invest into different asset classes or put my money to work for me so that I don't have to work for it. But originally I was like, I got to make some bread today. I got to change my life today. And that's why I focused on trading in the beginning.